But hey guys, it's Monty, and today I'm doing a video of this wig. Everybody's been talking about butter lace this, butter lace that, and I was like, I need to get some of this butter. And let me get some of this butter lace. Synthetic is definitely making a big comeback, especially with brands like this. So I was like, let me try it. So I actually got Unit 6, Unit 13 and Unit 14 have been the one that's been like raving a lot now, but I went to the store and I like felt it, and I felt like it was a little too, I like had some synthetic fibers, you know what I'm saying, that synthetic look. Some synthetics don't have that, like the previous wig I purchased, you can see on my YouTube, but some of them have like that synthetic fiber, so like it's a, you can tell it's synthetic. But regardless though, they still cute. So anyways, I'm gonna put this thing on my head. I got the Money Peas Caramel. Don't ever buy in a beauty supply store. I just really wanted to try this wig out, and I was craving for a new whatchamacallit, I was craving for a new hairstyle, so I paid $70 for this. So don't do that, you know what I'm saying. Synthetic are meant to be cheap, not expensive. And yeah, I forgot to show you guys that inside of the wig, but as you guys know, there is lace shortage, so they only really do like the T part and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on right. It's pretty good. The highlight is not too much, but it's there. I'm gonna try the no baby hair method today, so let's get to it. And I'm also gonna try this method. So I already used the got to be on this side. I cut it in 3 parts. Hopefully you guys, I think you guys can see that. So yeah, somebody on TikTok, I believe her name goes by Bratty B, and someone else also stated this. I can't remember their name though. But anyways, they say when you have a big head, what they do is they cut the side because it's right on my ear and it hurts. So I'm gonna cut it, and I'd rather do it with synthetic than human hair because I don't want to mess it up. But let's try that method. Oh, I'm gonna just cut it. I didn't cut my hair either. Okay. And this goes under. Yes. I'm too impatient, so I'm gonna do this one first. Sometimes when I lay my wigs though, I don't lay it too properly because my forehead be looking huge as hell. But hopefully I did this right. So I'm gonna get a little closer to the mirror, and hopefully you guys will be able to see that. So anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna just start on this side at least. And watch it disappear. Dun, dun, dun. Girl. I don't know if I did that method right, because obviously it doesn't like fit your head, but I feel like I just cut the sides off it and made it like a 5x5 thing. My favorite wig. I feel like Rose from X-Men. I should do it. I should do a cosplay. I changed, and now it's time for the final reveal of this. To see, honestly, I just really want to see if I achieved that. I really like the hair already. The lace is okay. So I do see a lot of like gunkiness here, but I'm gonna just clean that up. Wow, wow, but that's like the only thing though. Just gotta clean this up and we're good. This area is my least favorite because she's looking whitish and like I got some of my hair or whatever. But regardless though, she can be pulled off. I did a decent job. I really did. Okay. I'm really proud of myself. Okay, okay. Let me go clean up the gunk and then let's, see her. So, ooh, you got flash. So, you guys, so this is with the flashlight on, and this is how the hair looks on my skin tone. I didn't really color the wig cap. I kind of, yeah, I'm gonna have to color it in. I wasn't really paying attention, but this is how my wig looks with no baby hairs or whatever. I think it's showing pretty good on camera too. So yeah, this is how it looks with the flashlight and with a little bit of natural light. I'm not really in the sun because the sun is a whole different type of lighting, but I think I will be able to even pass the sun test. I really do think so. But this is how I look. So the side is iffy, you know what I'm saying? It is iffy. Because I did use Got to Be to put it on my, head here, whatever, as you guys can see. I really don't care about that. To be quite frank and honest with you. But yeah, guys, I really like it. Guys, so I'm in front of my window and this is how I look with sunlight. This is not really like the sunny sun, but this is just like, it was a little bit rainy today, so this is how I look. So it doesn't even look that bad. You see what I'm talking about? Just an arm's length, and it's not bad. But as you get closer, you're gonna be like, ooh girl, I see lace, but it's a fabric. All right, you're gonna see it when you get close. I really like this though. I love it. I love the color. I like the 2-strand of the little blonde. It's a caramel color. It's not really like why is there a knot already in the back? I don't know if you'll see that, but so this is how I look. When you get close, but when you get far, you like it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.